Hello everyone, welcome to Sanskaram University.
Dream big. Your future starts here. Tell your dreams to them who can fulfill them. Welcome to the world of Sanskaram University, where every dawn commemorates the splendor of fresh starts and murmurs the commitment of boundless opportunities. Sanskaram aims the students with full confidence, academic acumen and capability to encounter any situation in life, and inculcating in them the old age India tradition and culture. Sanskaram fully believes in our motto of Sanskar Shiksha Safalta. We strongly recommend education must bring change in society through our rich Indian value system and provide exposure to them to modern age teaching tools which are able and make students capable of grabbing the highest opportunities in their professional life. With highest packages, Sanskaram provides a stepping stone for students to pursue their interests and imbibe in them Indian ethos for better living. Keeping abreast of the latest technologies and innovations, students' horizon are broadened, making them not only nationally but also internationally competent and capable. Currently, university imparts education from undergraduate to postgraduate in School of Law and Legal Education, School of Veterinary and Animal Science, School of Commerce and Management, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, School of Agriculture, School of Basic and Applied Sciences, School of Liberal Education, School of Skill and Technical Courses through its various faculties, moot court sessions in School of Law, daily OPDs in Veterinary Clinic, practical and research sessions and industrial exposure transform the students to professionals. Catering to the diverse interests of students, Sanskaram offers multidisciplinary courses and programs for them to pursue their interests and specialize in fields they like the best. The eco-friendly environment provides students with a healthy atmosphere for outdoor activities, promoting better physical health and a sound mind. The Sanskaram University's infrastructure stands as a demonstration to its commitment to promote a conducive learning environment. From cutting-edge research facilities to comprehensive libraries, the infrastructure caters to diverse academic needs. Lecture halls equipped with advanced technology with audio-visual facility. High-technology laboratories and recreational spaces contribute to a holistic educational experience. The university's commitment to modernity is reflected in sustainable architecture and amenities that support both academic excellence and student well-being. The Sanskaram Library is well-stocked, serving as intellectual hubs, fostering learning, research and community engagement. Yes, we have it all, and this is what makes us extraordinary. The Sanskaram University stands as a beacon of unmatched diversity, fostering an environment where students from various backgrounds, cultures, and experiences converge to create a rich tapestry of perspective. Students from all over India live together.
Hi, my name is Kritika Saini. I am from Himachal Pradesh, Mandi. So I study in Sanskaram University, Jhajjar, Haryana. So there teachers are very supportive, though they are very helpful.
Hello, we are from Sikkim and we are currently studying in Sanskaram University, Jhajjar, Haryana.
The greeneries are so beautiful in this college that I get reminded of my hometown Sikkim.
Excellent residential facilities for both boys and girls. Each hostel possesses AC, Wi-Fi, TV, sports items, etc. It provides a warm and welcoming atmosphere, making the students feel as comfortable and secure as in their home. The university has a very good transport facility to smooth travel from all the parts of NCR. So transport is a matter of no concern for students. Food court, cafeteria and hostel mess that serves all types of cuisine are favorite hangouts for students. Sanskaram is setting international standards like well-equipped gym, various sports, co-curricular activities for holistic development of students. We at Sanskaram believe in embracing education as their sense of life's journey. We ensure students are ready to face challenges of the corporate world. To enhance students' employability, focus on practical skills development, industry-relevant curriculum, internships and networking opportunities. Encourage soft skills like communication and teamwork, and stay updated on current industry trends. The Training and Placement Cell provides the students right direction and help them to get placed in campus drive with good packages. Climbing the ladder of success, you are welcome to witness the transforming of dreams into reality. A place of limitless opportunities, a place where students love to come and learn. Favorite destination for achievers and a university with state-of-art infrastructure with today's age teaching aid.
संस्कारम ग्रुप की स्थापना 2015 में हमने की थी और एक इस ध्येय और एक उस मोटिव से की थी कि हम जो बच्चे हमारे किसी न किसी वजह से विदेशों में पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाते और विदेश के बच्चों को हमारी लाने की यहाँ वो थी। तो जब संस्कारम ग्रुप ने अपने स्कूलों की स्थापना की, स्कूलों के बाद अब हमारे लिए 2024 वर्ष एक नया कीर्तिमान साबित होगा और 2024 में हमने संस्कारम यूनिवर्सिटी के रूप में हमारा पौधा जो था एक वृक्ष के रूप में आज आ गया है।